Hello, today I'm going to show you how to top up your windshield wiper fluid. First step is open the car hood, and as you can see here on this Vauxhall Corsa MK4, you can see some products. On the left side you can see distilled water to top up the liquid itself. Then on the left side we have summer liquid, and on the right side it's the winter version. This is an antifreeze and coolant for your windshield wiper liquid tank. It is important to top up at summertime with the summer version, because the summer version has special liquid in it to remove corpses of insect, etc., from your windshield, and it will lubricate your windshield wiper pump. The tank for your windshield wiper liquid is, if you're standing in front of your car on the right side here, and the tank is a little bit under your front lamps, as you can see. So we are going to open this to top up there. The liquid we are using now is the distilled water plus the winter coolant for our windshield wiper fluid tank. It is important at this winter time to get their antifreeze level round about minus 20 degrees Celsius in Middle Europe, and that means we can mix this, and after we top up it we can check the coolant level by using this pipette. So let's start and now enter a little bit of the concentrate. After we top up a little bit of the liquid, we can go to the distilled water tank, because distilled water does not have any stuff inside the liquid itself. It is free of everything. Only water is in there. So now we top up with this a little bit, and then we change back to the concentrate. After some dips we change again and change again. So now we do not know what is the coolant level. For this we are using a pipette. The pipette will get us the information about how deep the area around the tank can drop to minus 10 to minus 5 degrees Celsius, etc. And this is very important at the winter time. Summertime, you can see the left side liquid. There's no trouble about the antifreeze level, because in the summertime it's not just so cold outside. So now let's check the coolant level of our wiper fluid. For this we're going to use the pipette. Dip the pipette into the tank liquid, suck a little bit into the pipette, and you can see now we are here around about minus 25 degrees Celsius. This is enough. Now get the liquid back in the tank, close the tank, job's done. This you have to perform 2 times a year, winter and summertime. Then every log is clear. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.